Okay guys, what's up? So welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Amaya, and as some of you may know, I am aspiring to be a lash tech. And today I just got some of my supplies off of Amazon. I had bought I have more supplies coming, but this is just like something I wanted to get now because it ships really quick. I could get it like next day. So this is what I got. Just a little beginner kit. And I'm working on my certification now. I think I'm probably 3/4 of the way done. And so yeah, I'm excited about that. But I just wanted to unbox the lash kit for you guys. So the one I got was by Lash View. This is what it looks like. And this one was like $25. And I got this one because I had spent like around $200 for different lash supplies, but it's not here yet. So I got this one just in the meantime. So yeah, this was $20, and it says the kit includes a mannequin head with the detachable eyelids, classic and volume trays. It's 8 through 15 millimeters, and then in 0.7 and 0.15. Isolation tweezers, application tweezers, glue rings, glue stickers, lash map stickers, and disposable lash wands. So yeah, we're just gonna open this up. I was so excited to get this, you guys. I ordered this like 2 days ago, and I was like, yeah, as soon as it comes, I'm lashing. Because I've been like watching a lot of the lash videos and tutorials, reading a lot, learning a lot, but it's like I don't have any lash supplies. So when this came, baby, you already know I'm on it. So opening the box, the mannequin head. I don't know. I didn't know if this was gonna be like harder, squishy, but it is squishy. And then here's the back. And then it comes with 3 detachable eyelids. Okay. Alright. The lash line looks pretty full. There were some mannequins. There were some mannequins I was looking at, and the lash line was like so bare. And I'm like, how is this practiced? Because no one's lash line is actually like that. Okay, and now here's the instructions, I guess. Yeah. Just like warnings and lash steps, I guess. Okay. The glue rings. They're pretty small. But I guess it's... Oh, the only thing is that they don't have... Like, they have little ridges on the side. I'm going to show y'all after. Or I'm going to put in a clip of the glue rings, because I don't know if y'all can see right here. But they have like... You know the flower cup where you can make the fans? It's not like that. They have ridges on the side, but I don't know if that will work. But we'll see, you know. So yeah, here are the glue rings. It comes with 100. And then glue stickers. I don't know if I'll really use these, but it's nice to have them. Here are our lash wands, or the spoolies. I really like these, you know. You can't really go wrong with these. I had some pink ones, pink and black ones, but I actually like the look of the all black. So it came with 25 of these. And here are our lash map stickers. I've seen these everywhere. I'm actually excited to try these. And I have like I said, I'm gonna do a whole big unboxing when all my stuff gets here. And I bought like, you know, the lash pads, so these won't last me very long. I don't know what. How many is there? 2, 4, 6, 7 times. There's 14 of these, so I can get 7 sets out. And then we have the lash glue. And I don't have an airtight container yet, or at least the one I bought. I can probably find one around the house just to store my glue. So yeah, here's the lash glue. I don't know if it's gonna focus by the angle. Like, my face is really in focus. Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay. And now here are the lashes. I'm gonna open those in a second. Yeah, so here are the lashes. And then finally, we have our tweezers. So I'm gonna put the mannequin back in the box. And for $20, I think that this was a really good buy. Especially like if you just want to try lashing, you don't know if it's really for you. Definitely start with the set. I know a lot of lash techs are gonna tell you don't buy the sets with the cheap glue, da da da. And really, if you want to try it, by all means, get this set, get the beginner sets. But I just want to recommend actually lashing people with the beginner set materials. You know, like the tweezers, if they work for you, then they work for you. You can use those. But like the glue, and you're going to need a bonder and all that stuff, you don't want to skimp on that. That's what I'm saying. So opening the lashes. Which ones are these? I like the containers. I don't know. They look really nice. Okay. Okay. That's nice. Like, it's like a little magnet. You just open it up like that. Packaging is on point. So here's the lash tray. If it will focus. I don't know. I might have to turn the camera around. So here are the lashes. And then finally we have our tweezers. I'm gonna check these out. You know, check the grip out. I decided to turn the camera around so you guys can see better. So I have the 0.7 lashes here, which are the lashes you use for your fans. And then I'm going to bring in the 0.15 lashes. These are your classic lashes that you use for, you know, classic sets. Because the 0.15s are thicker and you don't want to make fans out of those. But yeah, these lashes were pretty nice. And it was a mixed set and they are D curl. I didn't realize that. I would prefer them to be CC, but they're D, so that's fine. And next I have my tweezers. These are my application tweezers. You know, the little curve. They were pretty nice. They're not fiber tip, and that's fine. And then next I have my isolation tweezers. They are straight tweezers. I think I would have preferred a little bit of a curve on it, but you know, it will get the job done. If I ever decide to show it, I'm taking my sweet time. But yeah, so there are the tweezers, you know, nothing really special. Okay, so now here's me with the mannequin all set up, and I'm just gonna try the grip on the tweezers. So I have the 0.7, excuse me, the 0.15 lashes here, and I'm taking my applicator tweezers, and as you see, I'm grabbing this. I've never done this before, by the way. I'm grabbing them. I ended up like taking half the strip up, but then I finally grabbed them, and as you can see, none of the hairs are like separated on the bottom. So I would say these were pretty okay. You know, I don't think they're the highest quality, but they will do the job. You know, just starting out, I think they're pretty good. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you found it educational or informative in any way. Maybe if you're looking at lash kits, you don't know which one to buy. I just hope this helped in some way or another. Or maybe it was even entertaining. But yeah, thank you for watching and thank you for coming to my channel. Remember to like and comment and subscribe as it helps me grow. Thank you. Bye.